Hiyo, Midnight Trinity here today, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Boxycharm box. It's my first ever from them. Don't know what's inside because it's just the base box. Anyway, if you would like to see that, please stay tuned. I'm gonna start opening it. I'm going to use I'm sorry if you hear Sammy in the background. He is not feeling too good. He hasn't been feeling good for a few days now, and he's just recovering from being sick. So I apologize. And here's a sneak peek. First thing out of the box is a pure 4-in-1 correcting primer. Next thing is some facial radiance pads. Probably gonna give these away in a giveaway. I don't like using these. I'm allergic to almost everything in these. We got some Seat London Everyday Vacay setting powder. So let's get that open so you can see that. Try not to open the box. Try not to rip the box. Rip to the box a little bit, and that's what it looks like. So we got that. Because I picked a bonus sign-on item. Mine was the Storybrooke Cosmetics, the Briar Rose one, and this is what it looks like. I got some Alamar Cosmetics brushes. These are so soft. Here's a bronzer brush. I don't really use bronzer, so this will probably be my face setting brush. Here's a complexion brush, which I'll probably use for contour. And then we have a brightening brush, which I'm going to use for my highlighter. And the last thing out of the box is this iconic London Day to Slay palette. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to try to do a look with these. I don't see a card. I don't know if you're supposed to get a card. But anyway, let's get into the makeup look. So I'm going to use this primer. This smells really nice. Doesn't have like a chemically smell. if you hear me groaning a lot, I've been having really bad stomach problems, so forgive me. Let's see what's on my desk today. I never meant to go that way. Let's put on my brows. I'm gonna take this iconic London palette. Let's take the Deep Soul. And there we go. So using my Urban Decay potion primer that I got from Influencer to prime my eyes. So let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with the Briar Rose color in the Storybook Cosmetics for a transition shade. To take Merlot Mondays from the iconic put that on the lid. We're gonna go into the Storybook palette with the Kiss color, and I'm going to put that on the outer. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has little gold flakes in it, and it's really pretty. And then I think I'm gonna go back into this palette, the iconic palette, and take the color Icon. So other than adding eyeliner, that's going to be the eye look. So where is my eyeliner? Eyeliner. We're going to do foundation just because I want to test the setting powder. wishing on. Getting it all over myself like I do with all my food. Yep, I know I look crazy. I'm also going to try those brushes. First I need to find a color in one of my palettes to contour with. I think I'm going to go in with this light brown because it's definitely darker than my complexion, so it should work. And I always put my highlighter over setting powder, so let's put it away. Ah! It doesn't smell bad, and it goes on pretty nice. So I've had stuff from Seat London before when I had Ipsy, and I liked it, so I definitely like this. And the brushes are working really well, so let's now try the highlighting brush. Can't speak today. And I'm using my Ofra that I'm using to death. And I don't think I'm going to put on mascara because I really like how my eyes look right now and I do not want to mess it up. So let's find a nice lipstick to use. So the finished look for today. I really like both palettes, and it is hard for me to like a palette because most of mine are very similar, so it's just like I'm dealing with the same stuff, but those are really nice. Their formula is really nice. And that's about it. If you liked that, please drop a like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay tuned for further videos. Anyway, bye lovelies.